Welcome to McDonald's. Do you have mobilac?
No, I want to get 2 double cheeseburgers.
I'm gonna help you.
Yes, I want to get 2 double cheeseburgers.
Could you please come to the next window, sir?
Yeah, how you doing? This one here.
Okay. What do you need order?
And a medium. How much is the iced tea? No, let me a medium black coffee. Medium black coffee.
Medium black coffee. Hot.
Yeah. Yes.
What sandwich do you want for the Coke?
Like what?
For the Coke that you gave me?
The 2 cheeseburgers.
2 cheeseburgers. That's it? Do you want the double cheeseburger or 6 pieces nuggets?
What?
For the Coke, you have to choose or double cheeseburger or 6 pieces nuggets.
Cheeseburger.
Double cheese.
Yes.